Don't open your eyes. Don't open. Close them eyes. Close those eyes.
Close those eyes. No peeking. No peeking.
Don't peek.
You can open them.
Baby bird costume.
For Halloween.
Baby bird costume funny.
It's funny, right?
What found that today?
What?
What found that today?
I found that from the big bird. And you can see the big bird and the big bird.
Wow, baby bird.
Wait. Hey, come here,
Wait a
baby
minute, look
bird.
at baby bird's pants with feet. You like it? Take your shorts off. Baby bird.
Baby bird's feet. What baby bird's doing here? What baby bird's feet doing here? I'm gonna walk like that with baby bird's feet.
Wow, you are so cute.
I'm baby bird. Hello, everybody. I'm baby bird.
Do you like being baby?
How's baby bird go? How's baby bird go? Who are
Say, are
you?
you my mama?
Are you my mama?
I'm your mama. Hi, baby bird. Oh, I can't see your face. Hi.
Hi, mama.
Hi, baby bird. Hi, I'm your mama bird.
No, mom bird is that. You know what? You'll be with me Halloween.
Yes, of course.
When you be big mama.
I'll be mama bird.
No, you big mama bird.
I'll be big mama bird and you'll be baby bird.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you have to wear your costume.
Okay, I have to get a mama bird costume, right?
Yes. They're like cool.
Wow, you are so cute. Look at you. Look at baby bird.
I'm the baby.
You can get a lot of...
Hey, baby bird.